Hey, what's up everyone, Zulfikar here and you're watching ZFN channel. So yeah, it's another Apple Watch copy video. This one is the latest version and updated version from its previous model, which is the W46 Smartwatch. If you guys haven't watched the video, you can check it out later in my YouTube channel. So the latest one, it is called the W46 Smartwatch. Let's just unbox this and see what are the differences between its previous model. But yeah, let's just unbox this bad boy. Alright guys, so here are the front packaging of the W46 Smartwatch. If you guys have seen the W26 Smartwatch packaging, so basically they are the same. In terms of the front here, we have the smartwatch illustration, the color sticker indicator, but the W26 is just plain white boxing. But for this one, it adds a few details. This one, it's their motto, living a healthy lifestyle. Nice. So at the left side, we have the specification of the W46 Smartwatch. Its CPU uses the RTL876-2C. The Bluetooth, you have a Bluetooth 5.0. It has a battery capacity of 280 milliamp. And the watch size is 44 mm. So basically, most of these Apple Watch copies, they have the same size, which is the 44 mm. And the waterproof IP68, that's quite an improvement. And the touchscreen, you have full screen touch. And inside the package, we have a smartwatch, we have a charger, and we have the user manual. Alright, so now let's unbox it. And yes, as we can see, it improves in terms of its unboxing experience. It looks like a premium smartwatch. So yeah, so here are the smartwatch itself. I think the design is pretty much the same. No, there's nothing new here. But so let's put that aside first and let's see what else is inside the package. We have the charging cable, and next we have the user manual, which is in Chinese. Also, there will be in English language. So this smartwatch, wow, it uses the Fit Cloud Pro. So yeah, that's it. I think that's it for the packaging. Package is what we get inside the box. So let's put all this aside and have a closer look at the smartwatch itself. Let's have a closer look. Yes, and I don't know what to say, because yeah, it's basically the same. The design is the same. The buttons there's no extra button here for most smartwatch copy. Some of them have the buttons here, but also the previous model, the W26, also there's no button here. This is the power button. And at the side, there's no. Oh, usually there's the speaker here, but no, this one is just it's flush. There's nothing there at the left side. So at the back, we have the heart rate sensor at the center. So also the code name for this watch is the Series 6. As stated here, Series 6. You can see that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The previous model had the speaker here, and also there's a mic here. So I'm guessing that this the smartwatch could not make calls. But yeah, I think I like it that way. I already mentioned this on my previous video. If a smartwatch that have too many features, especially when they can make calls, they can receive calls, it will drain much more battery life. So I like it better than only receive notifications. Right, so the strap can be pulled out. You can use, so this one is silicone, basic silicone strap, and you can also use another strap, like maybe what do you call, a stainless steel strap. And also you can use original accessories by the Apple Watch. I think that's pretty much it. So now let's boot it up, turn it on. Then now, to turn it on, we have to press this button, hold it. Okay, oops, I think I just missed that. Okay, so yeah, here is the screen size. The screen size, it has a 1.7 inch display, which is, yeah, they improved the screen size. So yeah, this is the bubble menu. So as we can see, it's, yeah, it improves a bit if we compare it with its previous model, the W46, which is the W26 is pretty lag, and this one they improve a bit on its fluidity, but still it feels a little lag. But yeah, but there's another model, the FT50 smartwatch. I like that smartwatch because it is really fluid. The UI is really fluid. There's no lag. So I think maybe the manufacturer can like adopt its UI to the smartwatch face watches for this watch. And so you have to press a few seconds and it will show off like this. So this is the first face watch, second one, third one, fourth, and fifth. So this watch can only store 5 face watches only, but you can download more. You can download more face watches from the app itself, and also you can use your picture from your gallery and download it to be your face watch, which is, yeah, it's a feature that it was demanded for so long. As we swipe from the top to the bottom, we have the option bar. We have, this one is the watch model. So this model is also called the Watch 6. Next one, this one is the Bluetooth indicator. So this one is the alarm clock. This one is the battery life indicator. This is the QR code to download the Fit Cloud Pro app. You can just scan it here. So this one is the menu style. So I prefer to use the 9 grid. So as we swipe from the bottom to the top, we have the notification center where our notification will be shown here, right? So swiping to the from left to the right, we have the exercise, 10 different kinds of exercise to choose from. So we have walking, running, mountaineering. Why they call it mountaineering? Why can't they call it hiking? Cycling, basketball, badminton, football, yoga, ping pong, rope skipping. Okay. So let's just choose one and see how it looks. So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. It shows the step, calories, distance. blood beats per minute, and step per minute. Basic stuff. As we swipe from the right to the left, it guide us to the menus. So this is a 9-grid menu, so let's go through one by one. So the first one, this one is the step count and calorie count and distance count. It's a summary of our our daily activity, our daily steps and calorie burn and the distance covered, right? So next one is the sleep monitor. This one is the okay, I think I've seen this before. This one is the what they call a calm down session, more like it helps us to relax. Okay, so next up is the heart rate sensor. So yeah, this one is the blood pressure, temperature, oxygen. I think oxygen level. Yeah, is the ECG. I think I'll check it out later. Let's just go through out first. This is the music controller. You need to connect to the phone first. This one is the exercise. Okay. This is the weather. Alarm clock is. This is the alarm clock. Stopwatch. Let's try it out. Okay. Okay, nice. Really neat feature. This one is the countdown. This one is the notification center. This one is the search my. I think this one is search my device. You need to connect the smartwatch. Sorry, we need to connect with our smartphone first. So this is the brightness. Slight gesture, which is cool. Okay. This one is the information. Watch information. This one is the menu style. This one is the power controller, and this one is reset. I think yeah, it's reset button, and this is the settings. The language. We have tons of language, not so much. We have Chinese, English, German, Russian, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Japanese, Italian, Polish. Alright, display. This is the DAS switch. The face watch, you can also change it from here. Play, brightness, so you can set up from here. Screen time. This is the turn on wrist wake. Okay, this is the menu. So also can be set up here. The system, about, shut down, and reset. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. So right guys, let's have a quick test on the charger, because I'm really curious on how it charges the smartwatch. So let's just place it here, and yeah, it vibrates. So it will show us off like this. This shows that it is charging, but yeah, it will fell off. It will come off easily. The magnet is not that strong, but yeah, you have to keep that in mind. You have to place on a flat surface without any other disruption. Yeah, it will stays in place. Alright guys, so let's have this smartwatch connect to my smartphone. So here are the user interface. So to connect the smartwatch, firstly we have to choose this one. You have to add device here and search. The smartwatch is called the Watch 6, so we connect them. So yeah, bind successfully. to know that it is connected. So yeah, they show the icon. For the icon bar, we can see this one. It shows that it is already connected with our smartphone. The dial setting here, which is, yeah, we can download another face watches. I think that is it. Not so much variety here. So yeah, this is the fun part. We can use our picture from our gallery to be our face watch. So yeah, we can choose. Okay, so this is how it looks. Yeah, this is the most demanding feature for the Apple Copy Watch. You can finally download and install our pictures to be our face watch. Yeah. So now let's have this worn on my wrist. See how it looks. Yeah, but the build material is quite good, you know. It is solid. Yeah, feels good in my wrist. I don't feel like a cheap smartwatch on my wrist. Yeah, it has a bit of weight. It doesn't feel too cheap, but yeah, cool. Alright guys, let's have this watch tested with the heart rate sensor here. Let's have a quick test. Well, that's weird. It's not reading anything. Alright guys, so I just discovered that the sensor here is not quite sensitive to sense the heartbeat. So the solution is, when I want to read my my heart rate, so I need to like put a bit of pressure so that it will make up like a full contact with my wrist, so that it can finally read. So there you go. Need to put a bit of pressure and make the sensor have the full contact with my wrist. Yeah, there you go. Oh no, this is going to be a pain in the butt. Alright guys, what do you think about the W46 Smartwatch? Does it good? Does it just average? Or does it just wasteful? Just comment below. I just want to know what do you guys think about it. For me personally, they've done a really good job on keep on upgrading from its previous model. They add on a new feature, they improve its specifications, and for example, they improve the screen size. It is much more bigger, almost considered as a full screen. They also improve on the user interface, the fluidity. But for me, the UI for this watch, yeah, they like improve just a bit. In terms of its battery life, the capacity of this watch is 280 mAh battery, and yeah, it can last for like 3 to 4 days. But yeah, according to how we use it, in the previous version, the battery life only like lasts for a day, which is sucks. They've done a really good job. I give a thumbs up for this watch. But also do bear in mind that when you are trying to buy an Apple Copy Watch, please do not put your expectation too high, because if you put a too high expectation in terms of, for example, the build quality, the features, the performance of the watch, yeah, you will definitely regret on purchasing this. Do bear that in mind. Alright guys, that is all for this unboxing video. I hope this video helps you a lot, and also I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys love this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video. And also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so and support my channel. That will be much appreciated. And that is all. I see you guys in the next video.